Hi, this is Bilal calling with Photomochi Studio, and today we're at CES 2025 at the Zeiss booth, and I'm joined by Christoph, head of Zeiss and Micro Optics. So can you please tell us a little bit more about it?
Welcome at CES 2025 at the booth of Zeiss Micro Optics. What are we doing here? We are industrializing holographic optics. My background is laser physics. I also worked in fusion optics and in several international research centers before I joined Zeiss in 2013. They had the chance to build up from scratch a completely new group with a focus on automotive, consumer and home tech. We know holography from some old books, we know holograms from the museum, but they can do much more stuff with holography. On the curvature of the windshield.
I see.
Here we're using holography.
I see.
So we can define completely freely what are we actually doing here. We are working with a transparent media, a glass for example, or a film, a foil, and we are changing inside of the foil the refractive index. I don't want to go too much into tech details, but what we're actually doing is we are changing the way of thinking the light. A center display, but the specialty here is it's just visible for the driver.
Wow.
I built up a team from scratch from holographers, optic designers in our team, people who understand the material, what happens between photopolymer and glass and so on. And we are also now building big machines, roll-to-roll machines, where we can produce a lot of, where we are making able the mass production of holograms. We are able to collect light. When you're able to collect light, you also can collect an image. We have here a dashboard system. It's now more mandatory for cars to have the dashboard camera inside, where you can see what the driver is doing, if he's sleeping or not, for example. But people don't like cameras, don't like the feel of being watched. On the front is always a protective glass.
Any transparent surface can be turned into a camera.
Any.
Wow.
Yeah.
And when do you think this will hit the mass market?
Not before the transparent display, the display in the car we saw before. Not before 2027-28.
What are you guys doing here at CES that makes it so exciting for Zeiss to be here?
And we want to show to the world what you are able to do with holography. It's a new way of optic, and you want to show what you actually can do with holography. It's not just a hologram in the museum. It's much, much more, and I think we can shape the future also with holography.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time, and we really appreciate you telling us about Zeiss and CES and what you guys are doing with holography. So thank you so much for joining us here on the Photomochi interviews. Thanks.
Thank you for your time.